एफडीएन बेतोड्या दत्तगडार मोठी धाड घाली। एफडीएचे रेडीत पॉपकॉर्न करपी फॅक्टरींतल्यान सुमार 7,85,000 रुपयांचो माल जप्त केलो। फोणेच्या जयदेव फूड फॅक्टरींतले कामगार एक्सपायरी जाल्लो माल पॉपकॉर्न करूंक वापरताले। एफडीएन 275 कच्च्या मालाची पाकिटां आणि 163 तयार पाकिटां जप्त केली।
Mobile testing, we have come to this spot at Dattagad, wherein there was a unit by name Jaydev Food Products. Proprietor is Mr. Sukhdev Bhandari. Okay, they were in the product, they were manufacturing this popcorn. Okay, and we have come with the vehicle for analysis of raw material as well as finished product. And in that we found that the raw material which was used for manufacture of popcorn is already expired for last 1 year back, January 2017. The same raw material has been used for the manufacture of this popcorn. So we have seized almost 275 bags of this raw material, each weighing 30 kilos each bag, and we also finished product of almost 163 bag, each bag containing 144 unit. The total consignment which comes out to be around 7,84,720. The samples of all the raw material as well as the finished product has been taken. It is there on the bill. The process is going on analysis. As per the test reports, we will go for further investigation into the matter. See, we have done an awareness campaign. The vehicle was launched, awareness campaign is going, and in the market we have found this product available in the market. So that is how we just reached to the spot. When we came to, there are illegalities that are going on. That is how. And now this vehicle is running throughout the state.
मडगाव नगरपालिकेन आता मेरेन 1,77,00,000 हाऊस टॅक्स वसूल केला। नगरपालिकेचे खंय 13 ते 16 लाख अजून भायर आसात। भारत पेट्रोलियमाकडच्यान 57 लाखांची वसुली केल्या। तसेच पेट्रोल पंपाचे भाडे वाडयला। ट्रेड लायसन्स नासतना धंदो करतल्यांचेर ॲक्शन घेतले म्हूण नगराध्यक्षान शिटकावणी दिल्या।
5th of December, every day we have been getting 4 lakhs, 6 lakhs, 7 lakhs, 5 lakhs, 11 lakhs sometimes, and it is going on. So till date we have recovered about 1.77 crores. The two petroleum companies, especially the Hindustan Petroleum and Bharat Petroleum, their arrears were due from 2008 also. Bharat Petroleum has paid 57 lakhs to us. So from the Hindustan Petroleum, their amount was lesser. It was something to the tune of some 22 lakhs or 27 lakhs, I think. But a demand notice has also been served to them. So altogether, with that 57 lakhs, our recovery has been to the tune of about 2.3 crores. And also 2.1 sec, I'll tell you the 2.34.
We have not targeted trade licenses as well as the rentals. If you cumulatively take the entire period into consideration, it might be about 16 crores. But then there are some places where, for instance, government departments are not liable to pay taxes. They are still figuring in our computer database, which has to be written off. There might be some old structures as well, which have been still assessed for the purpose of tax on and over that a new building has come up. So if you do that reconciliation might give us a back up the figure to about 13 crores.
गोयची शीत कडी फामाद। स्वित्झर्लंड दावोसाक ग्लोबल सीईओ परिषदेत गोयचे हुमण ब्रँड। मीडियान दावोसाक व्हीआयपींच्या डिनराचो इंडियन मेन्यू रिपोर्ट केला। प्रधानमंत्री मोदीन होस्ट केल्ल्या डिनराक गुजराती ढोकला, ठेफला, बनारसी दम आलू, शिकमपुरी कबाब आणि नाल्लाची चिकी धरून गोयचे अस्सल नुस्त्याचे हुमण। गोंयांत नाल्लाक उजो पेटलो म्हूण हुमणाचे वर्र देवाना।
20 वर्सां उपरांत भारताचो प्रधानमंत्री दावोस इकॉनॉमिक फोरमाचे परिशदेक पावलो। 1997 तेन्नाचो प्रधानमंत्री देवे गौडा गेल्लो तितलोच उपरांत आता नरेंद्र मोदी। भारत आनी संवसारभरांतले उद्देजक मेळून 3000 वयर डेलिगेट्स। मोदीन अस्सल देसी फ्लेवरान थंय डिनर होस्ट केलो। मेनू पळयात। गुजिया चाट, ढोकला, गुच्ची खूब मसालेदार, जफरानी फलदारी कोफ्ता करी, भुनी मकई और चिलगोजी की टिक्की, दम आलू बनारसी, ठेपला, पराठा, चपाती. जाल्यार नॉन वेजान मुर्ग तरीवाला गोयची नुस्त्याचे हुमण, शिकमपुरी कबाब. डिझर्टान गाजराचो हलवो, इलायची भप्पा धोय, नाल्लाची चिकी. दावोसाचे हे महादेसी मेन्यूचे सध्या बरीच चर्चा जाल्या. नाल्ल 40 रुपयाक तेकलो तरी गोंयकारांक नुस्त्याच्या हुमणाचे वर्र ते वर्र. ब्युरो रिपोर्ट, प्रुडंट.
घेऊया कमर्शियल ब्रेक.